Hi, my name's Tom. I just came back from a tropical vacation for a week long, and I went ahead and tried two different pairs of clip-on sunglasses, and I want to tell you about both of them. So I tried two different types of clip-on sunglasses here. I do wear prescription lenses, and I use them all the time. I don't wear contact lenses. The first is a very traditional sort of a lens. This is the Caxman sunglasses, and they're really simple, straight clip-on. They have a little tiny clip here. They have a little clip. My clip's a little bent up right now. You're just going to pull it. Got a little thing on top. You just kind of press it and it kind of opens the clip up. So I'm going to do this. It opens the clip up, and then what you do is you then put them over your glasses. You let the clip go down. They have little rubber stoppers there, and I kind of missed. I got them sideways, but you get the idea. They kind of go on just like that, and then there we go, and you have them. Now, the nice thing about these are they're very, very simple. They fit well. You have a couple different sizes, a bunch of different colors as well, and they can come on and off with one hand. They're nice and simple. The clasp is tight, but not too tight. That's all it does, though. Just goes on, done. There you go. You wear them for a while. You walk inside like you're in a theme park where you're outside in the sun, and you go ahead and you go inside to a ride where it's dark. You go ahead and take them off, and you can put them in your pocket. That's it. They're simple. They're a little bit flimsy. They could probably break if you smash them. If you were to sit on them or something, they might actually break a little bit. But I did like the fact that I was able to actually clip them onto my shirt pocket if I want to. They will stay fairly securely there. I actually had a hat that I was wearing, and I could clip them to the brim of my hat, just kind of keep them out of the way, and I wouldn't see them, but I could just kind of reach down. But you can put them on with one hand. Ta-da! There we go, and they're done. The lenses are polarized, they're dark, you have different colors, all that. These are traditional clip-on sunglasses, and I really liked them a lot. They worked well. But I went ahead and also tried the Long Keeper sunglasses. And the Long Keeper sunglasses are a little bit extra. They are typical clip-on sunglasses. They have that same clasp there, and you got to press it down. It's a very tight clasp. You actually click and press really, really hard. You have to have your thumb just in the right spot to kind of get it to clasp on. And the same idea, you open it up, you put it on, and get it about right. There we go. And then you put it on, and then you can move them around a little bit. Little rubber stoppers, same sort of clasp. However, there's one extra feature the Long Keepers have that the Caxman do not have, and that is, ta-da, you can flip them up. So if you walk in somewhere real quick where it's darker, you just flip them up real quick, and you can see things, and you go back out in the sun, you flip them back down. There you go. You'll also notice that these have a frame around them. They are a little more solid, a little more substantial. They have the little fake rivets here, and they kind of look like they are part of your glasses. That looks kind of nice. It's a little more stylish. It looks good in photos. You might still be able to see a little bit of my real glasses behind that, but it's not too bad, especially when it's sunny outside, you're taking photographs. These actually look a little nicer, a little more stylish, fashionable, as it were. So the problem is this. When I would walk around, I would go inside and I'd flip them up like this, and I'd be great. I would go ahead and be eating or doing lunch, but these things are still in my line of sight. I've got a ream of plastic in my line of sight, and they would start to annoy me. A hat would be up here, kind of out of my line of sight, and I can feel it up here, but these are really, really low because they're attached to my glasses. So they were kind of always there, and I felt nerdy kind of walking around after a bit, so I would inevitably want to take them off. And when I want to take them off, the problem is the clasp is really tight and really kind of weird to angle it this way, and it's actually difficult to get them off with one hand. There we go. I was able to get it that time, but typically it got really, really difficult to take them off really, really quickly. So with these, you have to really kind of hold it just right, and you almost use two hands to get them on. It's almost impossible for me to do this and get them onto my glasses just right because of the strength involved in the hand and the tightness of the clasp. Whereas the Caxman, I can put them on almost without even paying attention. Just bump, there we go, ready to go. A little out of line, but I can put them on really, really simple because it's a really, really easy clasp. This clasp is so tight, holds onto your glasses very, very well. I'll give it that, but it's actually a little bit hard to put on just right because of the size of it and because of the shape of it. So I'd often have to put these on with two hands and take them off with two hands, but it did look good and I can flip them up. However, for just sheer convenience of popping them on and off, the Caxman definitely won out. So overall summary, these are both very, very good clip-on sunglasses depending upon what you want. If you want something that just comes on and off really, really quickly, get a Caxman. In fact, these things are a little flimsy, I would get two for a vacation, just in case you dropped one, crushed one in a pocket, accidentally fell off, and just blew away. They are really super lightweight. But they're not, but they're sturdy, but they're lightweight. These are replaceable clip-on sunglasses. That's the nice thing about them. These look good. These look better than these. I'll give you that. They have a nice frame. They have a nice substantial. They're a little less flimsy because of that frame. These almost kind of like, you can almost kind of like shake them. These don't do that. These are very solid. That looks good. Again, both come in a lot of different colors. And these flip up. These have that flip up option. That's really cool. If you like doing that, if you like the style and you're going to be outside a whole lot and not going to flip it up very often, you're going to be outside mostly, I would go with these. They look great. The only problem is that the one-handed operation, trying to put them on and off real quickly, is just not going to happen. If you don't mind the flip up, walking around with flipped up sunglasses all the time, that's fine. There is a point where it gets a little silly. I mean, if you really want to get that kind of out of your line of sight, you can kind of play a game with these. And I was goofing around with my kid with these. I was actually doing things like this, flipping them all the way up. Okay, they're a little more out of your line of sight, but you also look a little silly. And when I had a hat on, it would actually bump the brim of the hat. So they're good. There's just something about flip-up sunglasses that eventually kind of drive you bananas. So what I found was, I can't even get them off. What I found was that I was using these much more. So again, simple, great, on and off. Get two pairs just in case you lose one. These are much stronger, much less flexible. They have the flip-up option. They're more stylish, but they are more difficult to get off with one hand. So it depends on what you want. And they come in multiple sizes. Both come in multiple sizes. Just measure your glasses, get the colors you want. Both are good sunglasses, and both are very, very functional. It just depends upon your preference and what you're going to use your clip-on sunglasses for.